Dogelon Mars as of now exchanges close $0.00000025 bears control Elon's especially current cost activities in a kind of large manner. Elon especially rose 1.42% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is at $1,078,656 in an unpretentious way. 23 December 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is certainly transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, for the most part is Elon a generally excellent speculation. In every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Elon specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us fundamentally discuss the extremely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,659,300,959,381, or so they really thought. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume really remains at $54,944,631,622, incredibly. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%. Which truly is very huge. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%. Pretty further appearance how Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0.00000025 bears control Elon's certainly current cost activities, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period in a very significant manner. BNB, the by and large local coin of BNB, essentially is somewhere near 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25, or so they for the most part thought. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.81% in esteem, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, especially further appearance how Dogelon Mars presently exchanges close $0.00000025 bears control Elon's, for the most part current cost activities, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market really is going in a descending course for sort of present moment, exhibiting how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, by and large exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, which essentially is very critical. Dogelon Mars execution. The especially everyday diagram of Dogelon Mars explicitly shows that the Elon cost generally has an extremely descending development, with a 2.51% lessening in beyond 24 hours, so which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%. Sort of additional appearance how Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0.00000025 bears control Elon's essentially current cost activities, or so the truly thought. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which especially is very critical. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars for the most part plays on actually a few well-known topics in the image coin space, exhibiting that in every practical sense, current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars sort of is at $1,078,656 in a genuinely large manner. Its name fundamentally is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who especially is a frank ally of Doge, or so they essentially thought. It suggests Mars, a twist on the extremely popular moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter a monstrous vertical development in a truly significant manner. Past its beautiful facetious name, Dogelon Mars fundamentally has generally figured out how to basically fabricate a huge local area within every way that really matters, in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees, and certainly in excess of 84,000 devotees on message, showing how Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels, and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Who are the originators behind Dogelon Mars in a kind of huge manner? Very much like certainly is the situation for its most certainly more conspicuous, and in every practical sense, more settled cousins, the organizers behind this very specific canine coin by and large are obscure, which in every practical sense shows that the really complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $54,944,631,622, which for the most part is genuinely huge. That basically is generally a kind of normal event for image coins, and financial backers certainly are very much encouraged exceptionally because of especially a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins to generally try not to succumb to pernicious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon basically has been available for especially a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, showing that Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. What for the most part makes Dogelon Mars novel, which truly is very huge. Dogelon Mars by and large purposes a hilarious certainly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, so that generally is to some degree and all things considered, normal event for image coins. And financial backers generally are all around encouraged exceptionally because of pretty reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins, too in every way that really matters, try not to succumb to pernicious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon fundamentally has been available for exceptionally a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, exhibiting that Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around $1,078,656 United States dollars.